Back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display rewarded interstitial ad in Flutter app without using any third-party library. So first of all I will show you the output. Like the output is very similar for both Android and iOS. So first I have this button which will show the interstitial ad, and the ad takes some time to load. So I am displaying a toast message as well as I am sending a callback to the Flutter side as well from native. I will show you that as well, but let's get like I will just show you. I will just click on this button. It is displaying an interstitial ad. Now once the user has finished watching this rewarded interstitial ad, he will see. So here in the toast message you can see that that is the amount the user has gained while by watching that particular ad. The video, like the output is very similar both for Android and iOS, so I won't go into in depth for iOS as well. So yeah, just have a look at the code. So here you can see that I have created a method channel for rewarded ad platform. Okay, so I have created a Flutter project. I have refactored my homepage widget for a method channel. Then I have created an event channel for ad loaded as well. Then I have created a stream subscription as well. And there is this variable called is ad loaded boolean variable I have created. Then I have created a subscription which receives broadcast stream. So this will be continuously listening once the ad has been loaded or not. And if you see I have just a text button over here, and once the ad has been loaded, variable is true, then only we can invoke this method. So we have to invoke this method. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for on the Flutter side. Now let's have a look on the Android side. So let's just go through the documentation. So first, if you see the Android documentation here, so first we have to add this dependency. So if you go build.gradle, and here first I have updated the Kotlin version as well, 1.8.20. So you can go over here. Next you will have to go to the app build.gradle file, and here you can see I have added this dependency. Next they say that inside metadata tag we have to add this thing, but make sure you replace this by this. So this is a test ID. Later on you will have to replace this as well with a production ID. So if you see inside app manifest android manifest.xml, I have added this bit of code. Next I have also added these two metadata tags which will help us for ad optimization. So if you go to optimize initialization and loading, here you can see you can get these two things. Like this is useful because this Google mobile ad SDK is loaded on the main thread, that's why. Next we have to initialize our mobile ads SDK. So if you go inside main activity, I have overridden this onCreate method, and here what I have done is that, so first I'll show you. First I have created a network event channel for ad loaded, and I have also created an event sync which will help us to send data from native Android side to Flutter side. And if you see the onCreate, we are registering our event channel for this, and as you can see over here as well as over here, and I have called this mobile ads.initialize this thing. Okay, next we if you see the documentation, go to implement rewarded ad, rewarded interstitial. I have already created a video for rewarded ads, so in case you are curious you can watch that. So here you can see this is how we load an ad. Again, this is the test ID, replace it with production ID. So I have called this load ID over here, and this is how I have just copy pasted it from the docs. But once the ad has been loaded properly, I am sending a callback to the Flutter side. Next this is optional step, and I'm not really sure what it does, so I have ignored it. And here I have just copy pasted all the callbacks which we get. So here you can see I have just copy pasted all the callbacks. If you are curious, you can write your own logic as well to it. And also you have to implement this on user earned reward listener, and this will help us to override this method. So as you can see, we are overriding this method, and I'm just displaying a toast message. If you want to send it back to the native side, you can do similar thing as well, like just as I have shown it over here. And to display the ad, we just have to call this. So if you see over here, I have also overridden configure Flutter engine, and here I have created our method channel for rewarded ad platform, and I am calling the show ad method, and I'm just showing the ad over here. Okay, so yeah, that's it for Android side. Now for iOS, you will have to first add a pod or use Swift package manager. I am using Swift package manager, so I have just copy pasted this. Then click on file, add package dependency, and I have just copy pasted that URL over here and just click on add package. I have already done that, so won't do it again. Next, what we have to do is we have to add this dash objc. So go to runner, go to your target, go to build settings, search for other linker flags, and here you will have to add dash objc as well. Next, you will have to update your info.plist. So here you can see I have created a key as well as a string, and I have just copied the first one, but if you want to you can copy other network identifiers as well. So if you see info.plist, I have just added this first one. Again, this is a test id replaced with production id, and here you can see I have created the add network identifier as well. Next, initializing the mobile ads SDK. So go to app delegate, and here I'm importing Google mobile ads SDK as well as inside the did finish launching with, I have also initialized this. Also, this is our network event channel as well as Flutter view controller and event sync. So here you can see I'm initializing our controller as well as our event channel, and I have created this rewarded ad platform method channel for this, and I'm listening for show ad method. And if also we have to extend this Flutter stream handler, and for that we have to implement these two methods, and now initialize our event sync to events. Next, we have to just go to implement rewarded ads, go to rewarded interstitial, and here you can see they have told us to create this rewarded interstitial as well as you can load it something like this. Again, this is a test id. So as you can see, I am using this rewarded interstitial and I am loading it over here. Okay, and as soon as the ad is loaded, I am sending a callback to the Flutter side. Next, we are implementing so I'm not using this again, this server side thing, I'm not really sure. Next, we are adding this full screen delegate, implementing this as well as these three methods. So here you can see I've added this full screen delegate, implementing this over here, as well as I have added these three methods. Next, we have to display the ad and handle the reward. So to do that, I have just gone over here, so I'm displaying the ad over here, and whatever reward you get, I'm just printing it to the console, but you can send it back to the Flutter side if you want to. So yeah, that's it for Flutter as well. Thank you for watching. Bye. How to create production ad units for iOS as well. So first, go to Google AdMob, sign up, then click on apps, click add app, iOS. My app is not listed on App Store yet. Click continue. Just give some name, I don't know, level. Click add app, and once that is done, click on done. Then you will have to click on create ad unit, and here we are doing it for rewarded interstitial. Then here you can enter whatever reward amount you want once the user has finished watching the ads. So I'll just clip it as 1, and here I will give some name, I don't know, level I guess. Click create ad unit, and here you can copy this ad units in your production code. Once you are ready for deployment, while testing, use the test IDs only. Then click on done over here, and so if you have deployed your app to App Store, you can link your app. So just go to app settings, and here you can click on add, search for your app, and then you can link it. Let's see how to create ad units, production ad units. So first you will have to go to Google AdMob. You will have to sign up. Once you have signed up, you can click on apps, add app. Okay, I will show. We are doing this for Android. I have not deployed my app to Play Store yet. I'll click on continue. I'll give some name, I don't know, 10 I guess. Add app, and here click on done. Then go to ad unit. We are showing this rewarded interstitial ad. Okay, so select, and here you can give some name, I don't know, 10 first. Give some name, and here you can enter the rewarded amount as well. So you want to reward the user once he has watched your ad. So here you can, I will just keep it as 1. Click on create ad unit, and here you can see your production ad units has been created. Click on done. If you are now, you can replace this in your code as well, but for testing I would highly recommend use the test ad units id only. And if you want to link your app once you have deployed it to Play Store, you can just go to app settings, click on App Store details, and click add, search for your app. That's it.